Your website might be beautiful, but if it's not booking clients, it's broken. After 30 years of building websites, I can tell you, some of the most beautiful ones I've seen were also the most confusing. A pretty page doesn't equal a powerful client path. Your website isn't just art, it's a conversion tool. A stunning site means nothing if it doesn't guide visitors towards the next step. And if it's not guiding people to work with you, it's costing you money. A lot of soulful entrepreneurs swing between the two extremes. A mood board style site that feels aligned but leaves people wondering what to do, or a text-heavy page that overwhelms with too much information. The real magic? Think of your website like the temperance card. It's all about harmonizing energy and intention. Not too floaty, not too forceful, just the right blend of soul and strategy. Many mystics spend hours building their site, maybe with Wix, Squarespace, or even a template, and they feel great about it. They think, I designed it with love. It reflects my energy, so it should work. Then, they hear crickets. Eventually, they might say, maybe I'm not meant to make money with this. Maybe I need to hustle more on social. Well, I'm here to tell you, you don't need to rebuild your site and you don't need to hustle on social. You just need to refine your flow. So let me give you 5 quick things to check so that you can make sure nothing's blocking the flow of your message or magic. The first one is clarity. Can someone tell in 5 seconds who you are, what you do, and what to do next? Messaging. Are you speaking to transformation and not just listing services? Calls to action. 1 clear call to action per page. And your buttons? Be specific. Book my session is much clearer than submit. Energetic ease. Does your site feel smooth, aligned, and trustworthy, or busy and chaotic? Lastly, mobile optimization. Most people visit your site on their phone first and then their desktop. So is it fast, tap-friendly, and easy to navigate? When your message is clear and your call to action leads the way, even a simple site becomes magnetic. So I put together a website audit checklist with these 5 blockers and some bonus tips that you can apply this week. Want it? Drop the word audit in the comments and I'll send it to you. Free, of course. Follow if you want to own your own power and co-create your magic. And until next time, stay magical.